Brittany Mills here. So I will be doing a video on some faux locks. I will be showing you guys how I prep my hair, the products and tools that I use. So I will be using some scissors, the crochet hook, either a lighter or some nail glue. Okay, so I only bought 2 packages of the free trees, and I bought 3 packs of the Marley hair. I have 2 bundles of each. Hopefully it's enough. If not, I would probably just try to cut it and then do it that way to make sure I have enough. Like I said, it is 20 inches. Okay, so I washed my hair and then I just plaited it all up in some small braids. All of my parts are not perfect, but that's okay. It's gonna be covered anyway. Okay, so let's get started. So here I just wanted to show you guys how I actually plaited my hair. The packages of hair, I did get a number 1 for both. Not gonna take much. And when you latch it, when you crochet it into your hair, make sure when you add the hair, the ends are uneven. Now I add the hair on the hook, and then I close it up and pull it through. And then I actually tie it. So I'll put it through the hair through the loop. Like that. And I'm going to do the same with this hair. When you have the hair, you want to actually spread the hair apart or break it up because it is a little tight at the ends. When doing my hair, any type of style, I like to be comfortable. I like to sit in front of the TV and just, binge watch a show or a movie. So this is the setting that I am, and just sitting on the floor in front of my couch with my mirror in front of me. Some styles that I do not need a mirror, but again, I like to be comfortable.
so strong.